John is one happy camper, building a berm, digging a hole. Can you see his sup form? Yep. Good job, John. There's John digging away. Look how deep it is. He's a mission.
Get this cleared out, and then we put the roof on, and with hay bales, and then we set that up for the summer, and we've just got this open door. You know, we won't really have anything done here until we get the rock work done, and then we'll build our elevation that we see from the front, and we'll put a nice fascia right here. All right, this is my sup rhythm class, sup digging class. Got two sides, your right side. Bringing that over here. Boom, boom. You know, we're going outside now, we're sprinting. All right, now we got to change sides. Boom, boom. That's sup surf digging superpower.
He's at it. I expect to see a little flip of dirt soon. We just got back from San Diego and unpacked. And he made a couple beds and then he's in his hole. Oh, he's pulling a rock out. All right. There you go. Yes, he's in there. He's continuing to shovel in the rain. I just saw his head. Why isn't sand coming out? I can hear him working on a rock. Okay, let's go. Let's go see him. Oh, oh. It's raining in the desert. Oh, it smells so good. I have this out so it's soaking. So I'm going to clean it. Oh my gosh, it's really raining. I should have put on a sweater. Oh, we're going to change that hose. Hey, John, are you out here? Well, there he is. How's it going?
My stomach sucked in.
Yeah. What do you all think? Smells good out here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So you're going to keep shoveling in the rain?
Well, you know.
Wow, it looks really good.
Yeah. So we can go get post tomorrow.
All right. It's going to be raining tomorrow, too, you realize?
Rain's not a problem. It makes it less prone to drip back into the hole.
In fact, we're supposed to get thunder showers after 2 today.
Really?
Yeah. All right.
All right.
John's still at it. Perfect pose. Bye.
Let's try over here. Yeah, I'm digging now, honey. Gotta find the right place to dig a hole. I don't remember.
Can't come out.
I got one right there.
You hit dry ground? Bye-bye, Rock. You want me to move the dolly?
It doesn't matter. Don't move. Don't
Oh, I
touch
was
that.
trying to...
There's no reason to touch that.
You want me to move the sand that's in front of me?
No,
Okay. Woohoo! Nice job. Perfect.